guys, today I'm showing you my baby pig. She's drinking and eating, taking her out to go potty. It's okay. And she comes to the food when we rattle her food. It's okay. Little piggy. Little piggy piggy. She's good and cute. She doesn't even care. I'm like her mommy pig all the time. I take her out to go walk and feed her. And we have another pig inside the house now. I'll take a video of her. This little piggy's kind of getting tired. Oh, it's okay. Come here. She's nice, but she does bite. She nipples. The other little one is cute. This is my mommy's first one seeing. She's a little cute one. I like taking them out to go walk. I like helping them. I like playing with them. Even I lay in their cage with them. And they're really used to the cage. But not these on their backs or necks. Gotta get used to this too. It's because we got them one day. They're cute and cuddly. But only when you sit down or lay down, they'll come to you and cuddle with you. We're outside feeding them. And this little guy, they're both sisters. They're like two little twins. How old are they, Mom?
They're 5 weeks old tomorrow.
They're 5 weeks old tomorrow. And they are going to be so happy for that. There's a spider on here, Mom.
Okay, just pull it off. Wipe it off. There you go. That's a good mommy. You're not scared of spiders for your babies, huh?
Yeah. Now there's ants everywhere.
Yeah.
She's not even scared of the spiders. Look at her wagging her tail.
Mm-hmm.
She went potty and poop last time when we first got out here. She's a little cute piggy. You can always keep her. You can always... This little piggy's not staying with us. The other one inside, she's staying with us. This one's going to our friend's house. That's the red hair. What's her name?
Huh? Sheila's the mommy. And then Lakin's a little girl. And then Kinsley's a little girl. The one with the red hair is Kinsley.
Okay. And if you scratch their back or this or on their neck, they won't even get you. Spider is always here. There. Cute. And it's on me. There you go. Want some water now?